before I start this song, can I ask one big favour? Can everyone here help me out just for the final song? Just bring it 1 or 2 steps closer. I can upgrade you all to the VIP front row section. It's no extra charge. Might as well take the offer while it's here. Alright, perfect. Thank you very much. Alright, ready to go!
I turn the music up, I put my records on, I shut the world outside until the lights come on. Maybe the streets are alive, maybe the trees are gone. I feel my heart start beating to my favorite song. And all the kids they dance, the kids all night until Monday morning feels another life. I turn the music up, I'm on a roll this time, and heaven is inside. I put my records on from underneath the rubble, sing a rebel song. Don't wanna see another generation drop. I'd rather be a charmer than a full stop. Maybe I'm in the black, maybe I'm on my knees, maybe I'm in the gap between the two trapezes, and my heart starts beating and my pulses start. The seed falls in my heart.
Alright, here we go.
Every teardrop is a waterfall. Every teardrop is a waterfall.
Right, you guys can help me out. This is the last song, so I want to try and finish strong. If you guys are still with me, can you help me out? Pretend you're at a concert for the last 10 seconds. Hands in the air, clapping on the feet. Thank you very much. Let's do a little test run so we're all in the same rhythm. Here we go.
Every teardrop is a waterfall. Every tear.
Perfect, keep that going for me. Thank you very much. Alright, beautiful.
Every